Close your eyes for a moment and place your hand gently over your stomach. Feel that quiet space between your ribs and your hips, the center of your being, the core of your intuition, the seat of your second brain. Every emotion, every meal, every stress you've swallowed lives there. We call it the gut, but it's far more than a place that digests. It's a world, a living ecosystem of trillions of microorganisms that decide how you think, how you feel, how you heal. Your gut is your inner garden. It blooms when nourished and wilts when ignored. Every bite you take feeds not just you, but the invisible life within you, a delicate harmony of bacteria that builds your immunity, balances your mood, and fuels your energy. Yet when that balance breaks, when processed food, stress, or antibiotics disturb the soil, bloating becomes a message, your body's way of whispering, something inside needs your care. The truth is, bloating isn't just discomfort, it's communication. It's your body's gentle alarm, signaling that digestion has slowed, inflammation has risen, and the orchestra inside your gut has lost its rhythm. You don't need harsh cleanses or endless pills to fix it. You need to return to what your gut understands best. Real, living food that heals rather than harms. Food that soothes rather than shocks. Food that restores peace to the system that connects your body and mind. And the healing begins where all restoration begins, with kindness. Healing your gut is not a war, it's a reconciliation. It's learning to listen again. So let's walk through the foods that bring harmony back, the ones that calm the storm, ease the swelling, and remind your body that digestion is not supposed to hurt, it's supposed to flow. Begin with what nature made simplest, fiber. But not the rough, dry kind that irritates. The soft, soluble kind found in oats, apples, chia seeds, and lentils. Soluble fiber moves through your body like a sponge, absorbing excess gas, sweeping out waste, and feeding the friendly bacteria that thrive in your colon. Those bacteria, in turn, produce short-chain fatty acids, the currency of gut health, compounds that reduce inflammation and repair your intestinal lining. Fiber isn't just about keeping you regular, it's about keeping your ecosystem alive. Next comes the quiet power of fermented foods, nature's probiotics. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, kombucha. Each carries live cultures that repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria. These microbes are your body's unsung heroes, repairing what antibiotics erased, crowding out pathogens, and rebuilding balance one colony at a time. When you eat fermented foods daily, even in small amounts, you tell your gut, you're not alone. Help has arrived. But even the friendliest bacteria need something to feed on. That's where prebiotics come in. Think of them as fertilizer for your inner garden. Bananas, onions, garlic, asparagus, and leeks are rich in prebiotic fibers like inulin and phos that nourish good microbes, helping them multiply. Together, prebiotics and probiotics form the foundation of healing. One brings the soldiers, the other brings their food. The result is balance, less gas, less bloating, and a gut that moves gracefully instead of painfully. Then there are the soothing healers, foods that calm inflammation and restore the gut lining. Aloe vera juice, slippery elm, and bone broth are ancient remedies for a reason. Bone broth, rich in gelatin and collagen, rebuilds the protective mucosal layer of your intestines, sealing the microscopic cracks that cause leaky gut and bloating. It's comfort disguised as medicine, warm, savory, grounding. Aloe, on the other hand, cools the digestive fire. It reduces irritation, helping your intestines rest and renew. And slippery elm, with its soft, silky texture, coats your stomach like a balm, protecting it as it heals. Ginger joins the list as the awakener, the root that reignites your digestive fire without burning it out. For centuries, healers have known that a cup of ginger tea can transform sluggish digestion. Its natural compounds, gingerols and shoggols, relax the intestinal walls, ease cramping, and help trapped gas escape softly instead of painfully. Drink it warm after meals, and you'll feel your stomach exhale. And if ginger is the fire, peppermint is the breeze. Its cooling menthol calms spasms in your gut and improves bile flow, which helps your body break down fats. Peppermint tea or oil capsules are more than relief. Their renewal. The moment that minty aroma reaches your senses, your whole body begins to unclench. It's not coincidence. It's chemistry meeting mindfulness. Among all gut-healing foods, there's one that often hides in plain sight: leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard feed beneficial bacteria with nitrates, polyphenols, and magnesium, all while providing chlorophyll, the molecule of renewal. Chlorophyll detoxifies, alkalizes, and oxygenates your blood, helping your liver and intestines perform their daily miracles quietly. When you eat greens regularly, your body digests not just food, but life itself, light turned into nourishment. But gut healing isn't only about what you eat. It's also about what you stop feeding. Processed foods, artificial sweeteners, alcohol, and excessive dairy can wipe out good bacteria and invite inflammation. Sugar in particular acts like gasoline on a fire. It feeds the bad microbes that produce gas and bloating, turning your gut into a battlefield. Removing these irritants is the same as letting wounds close. Sometimes healing doesn't mean adding more, it means taking less. And then there's hydration, the overlooked pillar of gut health. Water helps fiber move smoothly through your intestines, prevents constipation, and supports detoxification through the kidneys and liver. Every time you sip water, think of it as oiling the gears of your inner machinery. Add a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of sea salt to replace electrolytes, and you turn hydration into healing. Now let's bring it all together. Imagine your gut as a garden after rain, soft, fertile, breathing again. Each of these foods, fiber, fermented wonders, prebiotics, greens, ginger, peppermint, aloe, and water, are the sunlight, the soil, the roots of renewal. Together, they form a cycle. Nourish, cleanse, repair, repeat. It's not about perfection, it's about partnership. You and your gut learning to trust each other again. The science is clear, but the feeling is deeper. A healthy gut doesn't just reduce bloating, it transforms your mood, your skin, your sleep, your clarity. Because your gut and brain are one network connected by the vagus nerve, an invisible thread of communication. When your gut is inflamed, anxiety rises. When it's peaceful, your thoughts clear. That's why people who heal their digestion often say they feel lighter, not just physically, but emotionally. It's all connected. Healing your gut is an act of patience. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen. With each mindful bite, each sip of water, each meal that feels like care instead of guilt. Over time, your belly will soften, the pressure will fade, your energy will rise. You'll wake up one morning and realize you feel calm, not just in your stomach, but everywhere. So start small. Add fermented foods to breakfast. Sip ginger tea after lunch. Swap processed snacks for apples and nuts. Replace sugary drinks with lemon water. Feed your inner ecosystem like you would a plant. Consistently, lovingly, with attention. The results won't shout, they'll whisper. But one day, that whisper becomes harmony. Your gut and your mind singing the same song again. Because real healing doesn't happen in silence. It happens in connection. When you listen to what your body has been saying all along. I don't need punishment. I need peace. And when peace returns to your gut, it returns to your life. Keep growing, keep glowing. This is Vital Dynasty,